this is a dedication, the legacy of a promise keeper. Di pala ni Mano Emil an alternative learning system hub. Maulin niya na, according to him, sa nag-istorya kami, to the out-of-school youth and adults of Northern Samar, this facility, di pala ni Mano Emil, is more than just a building. It is the physical manifestation of a profound dream held by a man who loved Northern Samar deeply. The late former Congressman Emil L. Ong, our beloved Mano Emil. Mano Emil's journey of service was marked by a tireless commitment to the marginalized. I first witnessed this dedication at our ALS graduation in Barangay Balnasan, San Roque in 2007. Later in 2017, when he graced our division ALS graduation, he shared a moment of deep introspection that has never left me. He spoke of the salary standardization law for teachers, a priority bill he championed, and how a thank you from one teacher coming from Northern Samar would have meant the world to him. I was honored to speak for all, assuring him the immense gratitude of Northern Samar teaching force. That moment of shared emotion reinforces faith in our people, the people of Northern Samar in general. But it was during that same 2017 ALS graduation that his dream for the out-of-school youth and adults took flight. He saw the resilience and potentials among the graduates of us, and he asked a critical question. Tinanong niya ako, Rodel, after the graduation, ano ang nangyayari sa mga ALS graduates natin? Sabi ko, Mano Emil, kay di man nato naroya, di nga ngaranan si Emil sa dato, Mano Emil, nasugad ko ito siya. Ako, Mano Emil, kahumang sa kang pag-eskwila sa ALS, kahumang pagpasan, ang iba nga may kaya nga mga nag-graduate sa alternative learning system, nagpo-proceed sa college. Ang iba naman nakuha kurso sa TESDA, ang iba nabalik sila sa pagiging tambay. Suwaray, ang bagang niya, sugat nga ni sito na hinanabo nga diri nga tanan, natatagan sin oportunidad ang ato mga out-of-school youth after ALS schooling, magpapadayon la nga pobre ang Northern Samar. Dito niya naisip nga kinahanglan sinsayo nga facility. And he saw the need for a structure or a balay, mauni niya na, that would not just offer a basic education certificate, but a specialized, technical, and entrepreneurial program. Para ang bago niya, kung di rin man makapagkolehiyo, at least paggawa sa alternative learning system, may ang skill ang ating mga ALS learners. He also envisioned a place to equip the ALS learners with the skills to get a good job, to start a small business, and to thrive in life. Though he passed away before seeing this vision, his legacy did not die. Our friendship was passed on to his beloved son, then Governor Edwin Marino Ongchuan, and now our Congressman Edwin Marino Ongchuan, who took his father's dream and nurtured it into reality. This balay ni Mano Emil is dedicated to the realization of Mano Emil's dream. May every student who walks through these doors know that they are being supported by a love that breeds political service and personal dedication. May this hub become the launching pad for your successful careers, your businesses, and your fulfilled lives. And in the spirit of Mano Emil, may you find here the dignity, the skills, and the opportunities you deserve. This balay ni Mano Emil is wholeheartedly dedicated to the out-of-school youth and adults in Pambuhan, Northern Samar. This center is made in loving memory and profound honor of our beloved leader, the late Congressman Emil L. Ong, who devoted his life to the service and upliftment of every Nortejano. And he firmly believed that education is the greatest equalizer. And that every single person, regardless of age, circumstance, deserve a second, third, and countless other chances to learn, to grow, and to succeed. His unwavering commitment to a brighter future for the Northern Samar, for the people of Northern Samar, lives on in the very foundation of this home. To the spirited youth and resilient adults who are momentarily sidelined from the path of formal education, this is your space. It is a welcoming, flexible, and empowering hub built specifically for your needs. This is your second chance. We commit to providing you with essential knowledge, life skills, and foundational and functional literacy through the alternative learning system. And this is your launchpad. May this hub not only lead you to an elementary or secondary school certificate, but also empower you with skills for employment, entrepreneurship, and a more fulfilling life. Let the spirit of Manu Emil, his optimism, warmth, and dedication to public service inspire you to embrace this opportunity. Step into this home of learning with hope and emerge prepared to build the future you deserve. To all of you, our out-of-school youth, and to our officials, good afternoon and thank you very much.